start there. I haven't rode it in a couple of days. I got that silver turbo tunable exhaust. We could do a weather check real quick. It's 78 degrees here in Port Saint Lucie. One of the reasons why I moved to Florida and back home. 60 degrees in Bloomfield, New Jersey. I'll stay here. Even though the temperature goes down a little bit now at night, it's fall here. It's considered fall. I'll take it any day. Let's go get a quick little ride in. Been in the house all day, watched some UFC. Want to get out. It was beautiful out today too. I should have got out earlier, but I'm going to try to get out tomorrow. Do a little bit more riding. Brought my sweater with me just in case. Temperature is going to drop a little bit. Feels great though right now. I had to change the visor to a clear visor because it's evening. Weather's good tomorrow. I'll take you guys out to like by the beach, by the water. It's only like 15-20 minutes away from here. Been in Port Saint Lucie for about 2 months now. Actually on the 28th of October it was 2 months. It's been good. I love it. I love the weather. I love the fact that it's not cold. I can still get outdoors. There's still people out there. They're all working out. Get out, walk around a little bit. I have no excuse. In the summer it was brutal here. It was hot, but it was hot out in North Jersey too. So I'm happy with the weather. Look at that water. Nice little pond there, whatever it is. But it looks good. People get out, man. They walk around, get out all day. This is Crosstown here in Port Saint Lucie. As far as I know, it's new and. Beautiful. One thing though about Florida that I notice is accidents. They happen, man. People here are in a rush. They have no mercy on you. Every day I read there's an accident. So you got to be really careful riding around out here. Allowed to do U-turns everywhere here in Florida. See, somebody crashed here for sure. So you see the things on the floor. An accident every day. I just drive for caution. Out here giving tickets, you gotta be careful. Otherwise, man, look at this view. Isn't this beautiful? I think it's dark already in New Jersey. I love it out here. I'm gonna take it to the very end of this street, Crosstown Parkway, whatever it's called. It's nice. I mean, it almost feels like you get to the end of the world that's here. It's pretty cool. whoever's riding these things and they just got it, you don't feel comfortable. I had the Ryker Rally. I manually adjusted the front suspension. I lowered it down to 1. I feel like it holds onto the ground a lot better. And then I brought it back up to 3. I think I have it on 3 now. But the more you ride it, you know, the more comfortable you're gonna get on it. Hands down. I would never. I started putting my son on the back. I do feel more comfortable on it. Even with 3 wheels, when I first got on, I feel like I was gonna fall off. But yeah, so I manually adjusted it to 1. I feel like to go like on gravel and stuff, it was good. Then I brought it back up to 3. It feels more comfortable. And then I adjusted with the little red button in the bottom here. I put it on 3. If I put my son on, I put it on 2. But otherwise, I keep everything like on 3. It's been good. I feel like I'm not going anywhere. I don't feel like I'm falling. Considering leaving the cold Florida, there's work out here. You're not working because you don't want to work. I'm on my business. I'm not here for anybody else. I'm here for myself. I wanted more weather. Got it. And just making the best of it. That's it, you know. Every day, little ride, get out. Pretty much that I spent the last 2 months kind of like figuring out the place. It's huge here. So the more you ride around, the more places you find. I don't miss anything back home except Chinese food. They have Chinese places here, but I haven't found anything that I like or that tastes anywhere near North Jersey or New York City or Chinese, but I don't know if it's the water. And also I haven't found the bagel spot. So, but I'm probably eating too many bagels anyway. Too much Chinese food, so I'm good. With some people earlier today. Met a guy online who rode once before. He has a Ryker. He's from out here too. He has a buddy that has a slingshot and someone else that has a slingshot, so they were kind of getting together for a ride. But there was UFC on today, so I had to choose, and I really wanted to see the UFC, so that's why I'm riding, taking a little night ride for myself. Maybe take another ride tomorrow by the beach or something. But otherwise, I mean, how clean the streets are. Everything's so nice and clean. They're still building so much out here. There's so much land to be built to, just in general in Florida. You know, people are complaining like, oh, so many people are moving here, you know, to certain cities. They are, but overall, Florida, there's so much land. It's gonna take hundreds of years before they even feel like it's overcrowded. Maybe in certain little cities, they're feeling like, you know, wow, it's overcrowded, but you can build anywhere. There's still affordable develop parts of Florida that if you're retired, which I'm not, you know, you can actually come out and buy, you know, a piece of land and build something affordable if you're not looking to have to work. I'm young, I still got to get a job, work, you know, so I don't want to move somewhere where there's no work. So I moved from North Jersey here, I cut my bills by 50%. So I'm ahead of the game already. Name your bikes. Let's name your Ryker. Name mine Ferrari, because there's no Ferrari. So Ferrari, and I stuck by it. I call it Ferrari actually when I come out for cruises all the time. Also 3 Walmarts and 2 family Walmarts. That's just kind of like the supermarket part of it. You got Publix everywhere. You got Dollar Tree everywhere. As far as getting stuff, you're not missing anything out. Look at this view. That's water. I will become a Floridian at some point and become a fisherman. A lot of people love being on their boats and jet skis. I haven't came up with a boat or a jet ski yet. I'm not on vacation. I told myself I actually live here, so if I'm gonna get something, I gotta work hard for it. So aside from the Ryker that I brought with me from New Jersey, the jet ski's gonna have to wait or anything else. But look, this is it. You come to the end of Crosstown and almost feels like you reached the end of the world. I'm gonna go down through here. I don't know what this is here. Oh, there's no trespassing. No trespass. This is a designated construction site. Okay. Look, they're still building over there. This is so cool. Designated construction site. So you almost feel like you reached the end of the world. They're still building out here. So anybody that wants to come to Florida is more than welcome to. Look at this. Very nice. See? They're still building. Because no one's living out here, but look at this thing. Sidewalks. Well, stuff is going up. I mean, this is all the way at the end of Crosstown. So if you're looking to move, it's the time to do it. Prices are going to stabilize a little bit in the next year or so. Some people, you know, purchased higher than others, but the market here is not going anywhere. People are tired of paying, you know, $15,000 a year in taxes for a house with 1,100 square feet. They're done. You know, I doubled my square footage here and my taxes are $5,000 a year. It's a no-brainer. There's no reason to be out in North Jersey or New York unless you're retired and you already have everything figured out, but as a younger dude trying to start a family or raise a family, middle class is all done out there. Unless you're making $250,000 a year, you can't survive out there, which I'm not. So it's not for me out there for sure. But out here it's beautiful. You got all these gated communities. A lot of retired people out here. There's a lot of young people out here coming to work.